G'day, this is a video on how we do a preventative maintenance service. These ones happen to be Precor treadmills, but they can be any brand or model of treadmill. The good idea about doing preventative maintenance service is that with preventative maintenance we could find issues and problems that come up before the machine needs to be tagged out or faulted, and the members will have to report a fault with the machine. So with this one, I'm just doing this, remove these hood covers, doing a vacuum out and a blowout with the vacuum cleaner there inside all these hood covers. And then with this particular treadmill, I've found that it's got a cracked belt here. So the treadmill works fine, everything's fine with the treadmill, but it's got this cracked belt, and it's cracked the whole way around the belt as well. So that was probably imminently about to fail, the belt, and then they have to tag out the machine. But with this, I've been able to find this issue before it became a major problem. And then also we carry belts in stock in the van, so then I can just replace this belt, get this up and running again, and it won't be an issue. So the members won't have a faulted treadmill or a tagged out treadmill for a certain amount of time, and all machines are in service and good working order. We vacuum out all in through here with all the dust. We'll normally vacuum it up, and then also we'll blow it out as well with the vacuum cleaners we have. They have a reverse function where they'll vacuum up the dust and then put the tube in the top here of the vacuum cleaner, and then it blows out the air as well. So we can even blow air through this fan, and then it comes out the bottom of the exhaust as well to blow out the dust here, and then to blow through this end of the drive motor, and it will blow out all the dust through these vents and through the end here. So it's good to do this periodically. You can do this depending on how dusty your gym may be. Some gyms really like to look after their gyms. They might even do a preventative maintenance once every 2 months, or you might do it 3 monthly or 4 monthly, or at a maximum probably 6 monthly. It's best to have these looked at. Sometimes in like small hotel gyms or residential unit block gyms, you might be able to do a service once a year, but it's best to have it looked at least 6 monthly. So we go over the machines, we'll do a functional test on the whole machine after I finish this. We check that these stop keys work, we check all the functions on the console work, the pulse pads that they're working, and then we'll check all other machines as well. Mainly cardio needs a lot of work, the strength machines don't need too much. So in this gym we've got this other cardio stuff here that I'll be looking over as well, and then a bit of the pin loaded and plate loaded stuff as well, just a functional check on that. Some silicon on the guide rods of some of this Precor pin loaded stuff here as well, a bit of Life Fitness stuff. So yeah, just get this looked at. That's the good thing about doing preventative maintenance service, is that we can find these issues before they arise, so your members don't have to encounter an issue with a machine, and you know, you won't have a machine that has an out of order sign on it for any length of time. Thanks for that.